We've got Shaun White, Olympic gold medalist, and you're planning an event called Air and Style. You own it, and you're making it happen. You're bringing it to life. What was the event process like for you, Shaun?
I wish I could say it was super fun. It was definitely an undertaking. I mean, it's had its ups and downs. It's like you book your headlining act, and it's such a celebratory, thing. A great day, and then the next day it's like, well, where are the bathrooms gonna go? Where's parking? How are we getting there? There's shuttle, all these kind of logistics about the event. Thankfully, I have a pretty great team behind me that's helping me, create my vision for the event. So for me, this is really exciting. It's really the special thing that's going to happen. And for the first time ever, I mean, this event's never been in the United States. So, it should be great.
Hey, thanks, Shaun White, for joining us here on Coffee TV. We'll be sure to check it out. Air and Style, February 21st and 22nd at the Rose Bowl.